Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Lama and I am a Tibetan. I am 8 years old. And I am from Nangchen, Tibet. We are Tibetans, like me and others, must value our own culture and traditions, and it is our responsibility to keep alive this wonderful and rich culture. On this wonderful Tibetan New Year session, I wish Happy New Year to all the Tibetans inside and outside of Tibetan. May his whole lines live long and forever, and may the special day bring you happiness from prosperous in life. I wish and hope that all Tibetans can come together and celebrate next year's Tibetan New Year in Tibet with our spiritual leader, his whole lines, the 4th Dalai Lama. Thank you all, and Losar La Tashi Dilek.